Hi guys, welcome back to Practice Lab. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem which was asked in one of the interview conducted by Coforge. The candidate had around 4 years of experience working as a Java developer, and apart from Java, he was having knowledge of writing REST API, SpringBoot, microservices, and database as well. When the candidate solved this problem statement, he was selected and he was offered a CTC of 13 LPA. Now let me tell you what was the problem statement, and there were some theory questions related to Java, Spring Boot, and database as well. So I'll share those questions as well in this video. And at the end, I'm going to share the guess the output question which was asked in that interview. So you guys can guess the output and let me know in the comments. Okay. So the question was he was given a list of key value pairs. Basically, it was a map, and he was asked to sort that hash map by values in ascending as well as in descending order. So let us consider this is going to be the input for our hash map. So this hash map will store all these 4 entries, and we have to solve these entries by the value. Okay, so my output should produce the map if I need to sort this in ascending order, and if it needs to be sorted in descending order, then my output should display this data. Okay, so let us see how to solve this problem statement, and then we'll move to the theory questions related to Java, Spring Boot, and database, and then we'll at the end we'll discuss guess the output question. Okay, guys, so let's see how to solve this problem statement. Here you can see I have written a class sort hash map by values, and inside that I have written a main method which is going to be starting point for our program execution. Now, first step is let's create the hash map. So I'm going to use map from java.util. I'll take the key as string and value of type integer, and I will declare a variable to store this map. So I will declare it as new hash map. Okay, now I need to put the entries inside this hash map. So I'll copy the entries which are here in our problem statement. For now, I'll paste it here, and then I'll use map dot put to put these entries into hash map. Okay, I'll simply paste it here. Okay, now my hash map contains all these 4 entries. Next thing is I need to sort this hash map by the values. So what I will do, I'll convert this hash map to a list of map entries. So to get all these entries, we have map.entrySet function. So I'll declare a list which will store all these entries. So it will be list of entries. So map.entry, and this entry is going to be of type string, comma, integer. Okay, so I don't need to declare this. I can directly use map.entry, and I'll make it as a list equal to new array list, and this array list will be initialized with the values from that entry. So map.entrySet will give me all the entries from this map, and I'm going to store all these entries into list. Okay, now I got the list. Now we know that we can sort the list by using sort function. So I will simply use list.sort function. This sort function takes a parameter which is comparator. So I'm going to use entry dot comparing by value. So this will sort the list by their value. So it is going to take that entry, and each entry will be compared with another entry's value, and then I'll get the list in sorted order by ascending order. Okay, next thing is what I need to do is I need to iterate over these entries. So before iterating over these entries, what I will do, I need to print the map as it is, and I need to maintain the order of these entries. So for that, I'm going to use linked abstract. So I will declare a map which will again store string, comma, integer, and I will name it as link dash map is equal to new link dash map. Okay, now I got the link dash map because I need to maintain the insertion order, and I'm going to insert all the entries from this list because now this list has been sorted. Okay, so what I will do, I will use for loop for map dot entry of type string, comma, integer, integer, and this is going to be entry inside that list. And the next thing is what I need to do is I need to simply put all these entries inside link dash map. So I'm going to use link dash map dot put, and the key is going to be entry dot get key. This will give me the key for that entry, and it is going to be entry dot get value, and this will be the value from that entry. Okay, now I'm done with the putting all the entries from that list into link dash map, and then I'll just print the results. So I'll use this out, and I'll simply mention it as sorted map in ascending order, and it is going to be plus link dash map. Okay, so what we did, we had map with these entries, then we converted that map into list by taking all these entries. So basically we created a list of type entry where each entry contains string and integer, and string as a key and integer as a value, and we initialize that list with all these entry sets. Then we used sort function which takes a comparator. So here we mentioned what kind of comparison we need. So we need to sort the map by values. So we are going to use entry, not comparing by value. And this will sort the entries in natural order, that is in ascending order. And then we need to sort all these entries into a map. So we use link dash map to maintain the insertion order. And then we simply put all the entries into this link dash map, and now I'm going to print this. Okay, so let me run this and see what is the output. So here you can see I'm getting the map in ascending order by the values. So 10, 50, 20, and 30. So all these entries are sorted by their value. The next thing was he was asked to sort this by descending order. So here we need to modify one thing. So here we use list.sort. Again, I'm going to use list.sort, but this time we need to sort these entries in reverse order. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use again entry dot comparing by value, and here I need to pass a parameter to this comparing by value, and this is again a comparator. So I need to mention the order. So I'm going to use comparator dot reverse order function to reverse or to sort the values in reverse order. Okay, and now let me run this code and see what will be the output. So right click, run as Java application, and here you can see the sorted map in descending order, and it is 30, 20, 15, and 10. So that is what we are expecting from this program. Okay, now let me flash out the interview questions which were asked in that interview. Before that, let me tell you that we have started conducting mock interviews as well. So if you guys are interested, you can fill out the form attached in the description, and we can connect for the mock interview. Also, if you need any assistance to crack the interviews, you can connect us at practicelab23@gmail.com. So you can see here these were the questions which were asked in that interview. So these were the questions related to core Java. Then there were some questions related to Spring Boot, and there was one question related to database. Okay, and apart from that, there was a question related to guess the output. So he was given this code and he was asked to guess the output of this program. So these were the three options, and you guys can let me know in the comment section what would be the correct option. Okay guys, so that's it from this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.